Assalamualaikum guys, I am Khizr. In today's video we are going to look at very interesting Google tool named Google Jamboard. First of all, I want to tell you how you can access Google Jamboard. You just have to click on the Google Chrome and it is very first window that you will see, and then you have to click on this button. You will see the multiple Google application that you can use. Here you can see the option Jamboard. You can drag and drop up and down anywhere where you want to place it. If you want to quickly access it, you can move it here or remain it here. Just click here, Jamboard. Now it will open Jamboard, or you can go for the Google Jamboard. Just write Jamboard and click on the very first link and it will open Jamboard. Now go to our first window. You can see it's the very first window when you open Google Jamboard. And for now we do not have any jam. Let's create our very first jam by clicking on this button, New Jam. Now here's a window to create our jams. Jamboard is basically used for the interactive notes, sticky notes and interactive teaching images. First of all, just name our jam. Double click there and name it Daily Teachings. First I named it as a Daily Teachings, and here are the options that you can use in Jamboard. For very first, I want to add an image. I just click on add image, and here are the multiple options. You can upload image, you can go for the Google search image, you can go for the Google Drive, or you can go for the photos. But I want to go for the Google image search, and I write it here Jamboard. I click here Jamboard and it is showing me the images for the Jamboard. And here you can, if you want to add an image for any particular color, you can just click on the color. It will show you the image on this particular color. You can see this. But for now I want a multiple color image, and here is the any type. You can add line drawing, clip art, photo, face, or any type. I just want any type, and for now I just click on this photo and open it. It's loading it, and here's our 4 to 5 reasons to use Google Jamboard that you will come to know at the end of this lecture. You can drag it anywhere, you can adjust it anywhere, you can rotate it according to your need and just adjust it, or by clicking there you can get the duplicate of this image and you can delete it as well. I just arranging it at the side, and now I want to add sticky notes. How we can add sticky notes? You just have to click on the sticky notes, or you can and press Ctrl Shift and P. Now Daily Teachings. Here are the multiple colors. You can use any color that you want. I just write Daily Teaching and click on save, and it's asking me to add another note. I'm adding another note, Daily Learning. And I want to change its color and click on save, and I want to add another note, Daily Lectures, and I just want to change this color as well. In this way you can add multiple sticky notes, or if you do not want any color you can just click no, or you can add any type of color that you want. And when you add your sticky notes and you want to cancel this menu, and you can click on this cancel button. Now you can see it automatically adjusts all the nodes on a proper size and on a proper distance. Now it's up to you how you want to adjust them. Daily teachings like daily learning and daily lectures. After that you can add a number of shapes from there. Just click there and you can see there is a circle, square, triangle, diamond, text box, half circle, bar, and this arrow. I just click on this arrow. I want to add this arrow. There. And I want to add another arrow. And now you can size and resize it. I just want to compress it a little bit. Yes, now it's looking pretty good. And you can change the color of arrow as well as outline of the arrow. Here is an option for the border color. You can just change the border colors, or you can fill it. You can fill it transparent, or you can add any color that you want to add. In this way you can edit this one as well. And if you want to add any text, here is an option for the text box, like here's an 5 reasons to use Google Jamboard. In this way you can adjust it. You can size and resize it. If you want to make it a title, you can see, if you want to make it a caption, you can make it normal, or you can display it as large. You can display it as a title or as a subtitle. For now I think this one is looking good. Here you can again change the color. Here is a pen tool. You can see pen, marker, highlighter, and brush. You can select anyone. For now I am selecting pen, and you can select any color, and for now I am selecting black color. And whenever you are teaching, you can highlight the things like that to your students to highlight something. And here's an eraser tool. You can erase it from there. You can erase whatever you mark from your pen. Go to our final tool. It's called laser. Whenever you are using Jamboard on online lecture or any video, you can use this option. This is pretty very well. Like you can see in daily teachings, we will have a daily learning chance, and daily teachings provide the daily lecture for the students to learn on the daily basis. You can see as you move it, it automatically removing in a few seconds. In this way you can use a Jamboard, and after that you can share it. You can share it with your friends, and he's giving you an option. You can add your friends or your friends group that can also edit this, or you can copy its link and share it to your friends. It's all about Google Jamboard. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please subscribe to this channel, and if you have any query, you can ask in a comment box. Thanks for watching.